lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Please do hit the subscribe button and join the family so that we can definitely see you again. And if today is not your first time, hey boo, how you doing? What's up? Hope you're good. Thank you for coming back. I do appreciate your presence. I appreciate your presence every single time. Yes guys, I am feeling like a newborn princess right now with my Marley twist, jumbo Marley twist, butt length jumbo Marley twist. You guys, you don't know what we're talking about yet. You guys, it is long. It is like it's reaching my butt, literally, like it reaches the butt. Yes guys, that is how long this Marley twist are. So if you'd like to know how I achieved this hairstyle, please do stick around and keep on watching. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel if you are yet to. Please give me a thumbs up too before you exit the video. In short, give me a thumbs up right now, you guys. Give me a thumbs up, all right, and share the video with your friends, and I'll catch you on my next one. Stay tuned. The method of gripping that I use is first braiding my natural hair by itself up to about 2 inches. I'm going to show you how I do this in the comment clips, and then gripping that with the braiding hair, in this case the Marley twist hair or the kinky hair. Now I find that this is the best method for my hair because my hair is really dense, and in order to grip my hair more firmly, this method works best. Whoa. While braiding or while twisting, please remember to try as much as possible to tuck your hair in while twisting. You want to make sure your hair is not picking through the braiding hair or the Marley hair or whatever. You can also make sure of this by maybe adding some braiding gel, maybe your shine and jam. This will help you to tame your hair more easily. You guys, at this point I have very limited hair left. I just had to manage and work with it. You guys, it was a struggle. So in case you struggle with gripping your hair, maybe you should try out this method. You first braid your hair by itself because that will be more easy to grip and hold firmly than as opposed to gripping your hair with the braiding hair from the beginning. Here we go. I'm down to about 1 section left, and voila, I'm done, you guys. This was one of the easiest protective hairstyle that I've ever done, you guys. It is so easy to do. Try it out and let me know what you think. I would love to hear from you.